So this is where
the Royal Enfields rock. You can just glide over potholes very easily. I can just do this on my NS, yeah. Almost perfect bike. The only issue that we encountered was a bit of vibrations and the hitting issues. As per my friend who owns this very particular version has a more heating issues as compared to the older ones because the engine is all blacked out. Earlier it was a bit chrome, so heat dissipation was good. Since this is an all black design, so heating issues have increased. That's all for it. The bike has done around, I don't remember, around 1200 or 2000 something kilometers. First service is done. The approximate cost for the first service was 1300 rupees. That included oil change and oil filter change and basic top ups and all that thing. So yes. Also, one more thing that was a little bit weird for me was the headlight used to turn on with the as soon as you turn on the key and not when the engine.